Using a Banco Sabadell debit card is a convenient way to manage your finances and make purchases. To get the most out of your debit card, it is essential to understand when to use it. First, consider using your Banco Sabadell debit card for everyday purchases such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. This is because debit cards are widely accepted and can help you stick to your budget by only allowing you to spend the amount available in your account. Next, think about using your debit card for online transactions. Many online retailers accept debit cards, and it can be a safer option than using a credit card, as you are not borrowing money and therefore cannot accumulate debt. Another scenario where using your Banco Sabadell debit card makes sense is when traveling abroad. Many banks, including Banco Sabadell, offer competitive exchange rates and low fees for international transactions, making it a convenient option for foreign purchases. It is also a good idea to use your debit card for recurring payments such as utility bills and subscription services. By setting up automatic payments, you can ensure that your bills are paid on time and avoid late fees. However, there are some situations where it may be better to use an alternative payment method. For example, if you are making a large purchase or buying something that may need to be returned, consider using a credit card, as it often provides more consumer protection. Additionally, be mindful of the fees associated with using your debit card, such as foreign transaction fees or ATM fees. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your account to avoid unnecessary charges. In summary, using your Banco Sabadell debit card is a great way to manage your finances and make purchases. But it is crucial to understand when to use it. By considering the type of purchase, the location, and the fees associated with the transaction, you can make informed decisions and get the most out of your debit card.